Hi guys, I'm Bailey and this is Joji. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this eye look that is really good for any festivities. It's good for going out to dinner, a party, whatever you want a dramatic eye look for. So I'm going to walk you through how I do that. Alright guys, enjoy! So today I'm going to be using 3 different palettes to do this look. I'm going to be using my Kitten palette from Boxy Charm with this shade of Cheshire. I'm going to be using my Zulu palette from Juvai's Place in this red shade right here. And I'm going to be using my Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Love Letter in the Venetian Red. So the first thing I'm going to use is my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer that I use in absolutely everything, and I am in love with it. Anybody that knows me knows that I use this every single day of my life. So I'm just going to put on my eyelids and let that set. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all the love and support you've been giving me. If you like this look and this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up right down below for me and click the subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and just type it in the comment section and press send, and I'll make sure to respond to you. Thanks guys.